right, so as you can see, the box up here with the wire that was hanging down, we pulled that, and we're gonna end up putting it down here. We already ran all the wire through. I just went to Lowe's and bought a box, so we'll be able to put that in. I got one more coat to hit on the bottom. I got this big patch over here to do, and then I'm about to start taping off this line as soon as we put the box in, but it's coming together. All right, so I'm not an electrician, so I put the box in the wall, then I put the plug in, and then I realized I had to feed some of this wire back through, but the box wouldn't let me, so I had to take the box back out. So now I'm just gonna should be able to put the box, or the plug back in the box, and then put it all back in the wall. Just like that, the outlet is in. I'm gonna wait to put the cover on. I gotta touch up a bunch of these spots here. I gotta go down there and finish that. I'm not gonna record that. I gotta also hit that patch up there where the outlet used to be. I'm not gonna record that, it's boring. It's just more of me painting. I will film a little bit of the black stripe that I'm about to put in, but we're almost done. Maybe like 2 more hours. First tape line's up. I have to do the other 3 walls. It's pretty straight. The walls are fairly wavy, so hopefully the line doesn't turn out like shit, but I did follow a tape line all the way down. Like I said, it's eyeball from here. It's pretty straight, so I guess we'll see what happens when I get done taping the rest. I gotta tape all this too. While the black line is drying, I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna hit all these big patches down at the bottom that I didn't get painted. So almost done. Garage is done. While I ramble here for a second, I'm going to be throwing up pictures of all the paints that I got on screen. There's a little bit of discrepancy on the black line that I used because it's a tape line, so from wall to wall it's just a little bit different. It looks good from the driveway, which is what I wanted. I'm happy with it. It's good, not great, but I'm happy with it. So now that the garage is done, I got to put the plugs back in, and then we'll be working on the Caprice again. Thanks for watching.